Do you remember?
My dogs are here. They can get violent.
Oh, are you threatening me, Mr. Rosa?
No, I'm just standing on the sidewalk, exercising my rights. You should.
Recording mirrored fucking windows, you fucking dick.
Videotaping you, and you're videotaping me, waiting for public records related to private judging in the law offices of BJ Faden.
Is this what we're gonna have to do at every single place that we go for where private judges work?
Not one person is complying with the law. Hi.
Hi there.
Are you security?
I'm security here. What's going on?
Well, they are a public court judge,
Okay.
and
Oh, you're fine.
they're trying to not let us in to see the records. They have publicly noticed BJ Faden gets paid about, I have to look at each appointment order, but about $600 an hour to act as a public court judge.
Gotcha.
And he is required by law to allow us into that office to see the records.
So have you called the authorities if you're under the right to?
I don't need to, I have the law. And he signed up to be a judge, and he took an oath saying that he would uphold the law.
Okay.
And he's acting in these cases. He's also appointed in many cases to represent children as their minors counsel. And so we're waiting for the records that we have a right to access during business hours. So we're gonna wait here and document how long it's taking us to get access to these records. Did they call you about us?
Yeah, management called me.
What did they say?
They told me to come down here and see what was going on.
We're waiting
Now
for
that-
the records.
Now that I have the information, I'll go ask again what it is they want me to do.
Thank you.
Thank you. We can give you the law if you wanna know it.
No, I'm sure you know more than me.
Another Jan's location.
Another Jan's location, and you need security to let you up. And they may be closed. Does it say 16th floor for Jan's? Yep, there it is. Remember that?
Hi, how are you? Good. Good. My name is Corrigan Wright. I'm here to access public documents related to notices sent for Catherine Gallagher.
Oh, we don't have any court stuff, would be at the courts.
No, that's not true. Are you Josephine?
Yeah.
I'm Susan
So
Bassey.
I'm actually in a meeting. So
Okay, well, you actually keep ignoring me, and the records are supposed to be accessible.
I'm in a meeting.
Okay, well, so when are the records? Gonna wait till your meeting is over?
We'll let you know. Hold
No,
on.
we'll wait. Okay, I'm Susan Bassey, and this is Corrigan, and we are looking for records that JAM has noticed is in this building. We've been through the civil court files and the family court files, and they all noticed that the records under 2.400 are supposed to be available for public access here. I've been asking for 2 years. I've emailed Catherine Gallagher. I've emailed Josephine Kerr. I've emailed the manager of JAMS in LA and Orange County and Irvine. And we're 2 years later, you guys are collecting PPP money, and you are not making these records available. So we want to know when you're going to make the records available to the public that the law says you have to make available. So we're here for that
So why
again.
don't you have a seat? I'm gonna go ahead and give my legal counsel a call and have her have a conversation.
Thank you.
That's great.
Here's my business card for the two of you,
Thank you. I just need a picture of it. I don't need to take it.
and I would need to know which cases you want access to.
She's got a list, and the other thing is we want to see Catherine Gallagher's notices of notifying the clerk that she's been appointed in a case. Those are records you should have as part of your business.
The cases.
Okay.
Okay, these are the 3 cases.
Those are noticed on the public court website that she is doing private judging in those family law cases. So that means under California Rules of Court 2.400, we can look at anything that she has related to those cases here, and I also want to see her notice. Okay, you guys do know that when you obstruct public access to public records, that's a business practice and a policy.
Okay, I will go
Thank
ahead
you.
and look at that.
Ooh, she has my picture. It's not like it's not all over online.
As a registered nurse, we support transparency and high quality services that we provide to the public. I do not support jams. That woman just took my picture because I came in here asking to see public records.
Do you know her name?
No idea who that was.
Josephine Kerr.
Josephine Kerr.
She's the assistant for Catherine Gallagher.
She should have asked me to pull my mask down. But she's gonna send that picture to all of her friends in jams and all of their other business associates, so that when I walk into a jams building, they all know to go scurry, run, and hide and call general counsel. Like I'm harassing them because I'm here to access public records that they have. It's not against the law, it's actually the right of the public to govern government business. So I'm not understanding why they're acting like this.
We'll get back to you.
Yeah.
So you understand we have a right to be here and we have a right to ask for the records?
Yes.
You don't have a right not to give us those records.
Correct. We will get back to you.
You don't have a right to do that. You have a right during business hours to give us the records.
We hear you.
They're not gonna produce the records.
I understand that.
Okay,
And
we hear
Just
you.
because you say you're not gonna do it doesn't make it right or legal.
We heard you.
I'm glad. Because you don't seem like you've been hearing me. I've been asking for 3 years.
I can hear you.
Okay, well, your manager and your legal counsel don't appear to be hearing us. So we're gonna get a little louder, and you guys are gonna be the face of us getting louder. That's your employer. That's what your employer is asking you to do. They're not coming out here. The lawyers, the judges, the private judges, the arbitrators, they're not coming out here. They're making you guys do their dirty work.
do you know that you have judges working here that are taking people's homes,
Melissa, let me know if you
their
need-
children, all of their money, everything that they have behind these doors? Do you know that?
That's paying your salary.
Literally the most horrific orders that I have ever read or seen in my life have come out of this office. You would never ever want to use a private judge unless you knew one. Because that's the
And
only
knew that
way-
they were gonna follow the law, including giving access to the public. We don't have a lot of rights, but we have a right to see those records. And we're not being allowed to see those records. Asking in 2019, 2020, 2021, and now 2022. It says during normal business hours, we've been asking for 3 years. JAMS has made a fortune and collected federal money during that time.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you. Now,
Do you
my
remember
dogs are here. They can get violent.
Oh, are you
So-
threatening me, Mr. Roja? On
You're on my property.
It's
Leave my
noticed.
property. Thank
It's-
you. Come on,
It's
girls.
noticed.
So
Go, girls.
do you have copies of the public records?
I work for ADR Services. You know that.
Are you an employee of ADR Services?
I am a independent contractor. Thank you. I get a 1099.
Where
Thank
are
you
your
very much.
records under 2.400 for the cases
I'll
where?
have to look. Thank you. Come on. Let's go, girls.
He works for ADR Services.
You call the police. You're
Please
on my
do.
property.
Please call them. Please
Come on.
call them. You
Go.
gave Sharon Roper this address as your public
Well,
courthouse.
maybe she's wrong.
Well,
Come on, girl.
we can do a public records request
Well,
for
do
what
whatever
you
you
gave her.
want. But get off my property. This is my home.
Are you?
My wife has a disability. Okay, you're over here. You're going to be disturbing her. You're over here. I'm a 75-year-old man with a heart pacemaker. You're at my personal residence. I've asked you to leave. You won't. I work with ADR Services. That's where all of my cases are. So I'd appreciate it if you would leave my property. Thank you.
This is attorney Richard Roja. He's been practicing law for over 30 years. He is also a private judge, and he notices his home address as his place of business on the State Bar website and also on the public notices in the courthouse. He's been ignoring our calls and our emails about access to his public court proceedings, where he acts as a private judge and makes hundreds of thousands of dollars a year, even though he was never elected or appointed to the public court bench. And you won't find his advertisements in the local newspaper because he gets his business from local attorneys.
My cases are. So I'd appreciate it if you would leave my property.
Okay, so
Thank
you went with me today to try to get access to public records held by private judges. And what did you think about what happened to you today?
I feel insulted. I feel like as a professional, as a nurse, I'm trained to interact with people in a certain way. There's standards of how you respond to people that are asking you for help. And I wasn't treated kindly or justly or fairly or with any level of concern at all today. And it sucks because this is the justice system. This is supposed to be representative of America. And here I am, not doing anything wrong, literally just coming as a public person to access records, and I'm getting the door shut in my face. I'm getting threatened that I'm going to be attacked by a dog. I'm getting yelled at. I'm getting completely denied and blocked access. I'm having people that work within this system treat me like I'm the one that's doing something wrong because I'm asking them to show me that they're doing the right thing, and they won't, or they can't. And I'm in Santa Clara right now. Behind me is the Santa Clara Superior Courthouse. Millions of dollars, millions, like $60 million.
283.
$283 million was spent to build a building that does not represent justice when you have government officials, court officials acting the way that they were today, the way that I saw them today. This is nowhere that you want to go. It's dangerous. It's filled with people who are not going to help you, who are going to slam the door in your face, take all of your stuff, and laugh at you because there's nothing that you can do about it. They just don't care.
Not, because it's public record. Thank you. Now,
Do you remember
my dogs
what-
are here. They can get violent.
Today's journey ended with unanswered questions about public records, transparency, and accountability. But that wasn't the end. In our next video, a simple camera on a public sidewalk triggers police, angry civilians, and a confrontation that tests how quickly lawful activity can become public conflict.
How you doing, sir? There are several things I would like to commend you on, man.
Oh yeah, what's that?
I mean, one, you pulled up in like 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I was really shocked that she actually even called you, man. She came out and spoke with me.
She finds it a little bit suspicious. Yeah.
That I'm recording a 130-year-old building? Who wouldn't want to it says right there, 1893.
Yeah, that's true.
Who wouldn't want to...
It's just because they're a big institution, so they're just like, what's he doing out there? You know what I mean?
Yeah, I totally understand. And I try to even like explain to her, I was like, I'm just on an assignment just to record.
Oh, yeah.
I let her know I'm not going in or on your property.
For school?
No. I just do videos.
Okay.
So I let her know I was sent out here on assignment. I told her I wasn't going to be long. I'm not going to go in or on your property.
Right.
I didn't want to.
Right now you're on a public sidewalk.
Yeah, I told her I was just going to keep it real simple. And
Yeah.
I mean, I don't even know, what can you see from here? Like,
Not a lot, to be honest.
huh?
I said not a lot, to be honest.
You can't see nothing. And you know what's really hilarious, man?
What's that?
In 2025, banks don't even carry cash no more. If you try to come here and take out $30,000, they're gonna tell you come back in like 3 to 5 days. They will. They're gonna have to order. They're gonna have to order it just for their protection.
Yeah,
You know.
I mean, that makes sense. I don't know. It's been a long time since I've worked at a bank. I used to work for a bank.
You did? Which one?
15, 16 years ago.
And you would know. You know, y'all got like y'all have like protocols for like hostage situations, and most banks even have like a panic room. So. And do I look like I'm gonna do something? Especially with a camera? That's amazing.
Hi, man. How are you?
But I let her know I was just passing through. I'm really not going to be too long. I was really shocked. And you pulled up quick. You must have had already probably just been traveling when you got the call. I seen her on the phone. I was like, I'm finna just stay another 5-10 minutes.
Yeah.
And you pulled up in 2. And I was like, I seen you in there a while. I'm like,
It's one of the things that New York's really good about is their police response.
And you are aware that I can be like, at least just on the sidewalk.
Yeah, yeah.
And I try to keep everything respectful, you know?
See, so yeah, no, that's completely legal. They just find it suspicious, so they just wanted me to
Just come and check it out. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Nothing's wrong with that. I just thought it was weird, you know, they called, but nothing wrong with you come just approach me. I'd really dap you up. Do you have a business card on you?
Actually, I don't.
They don't even have the ones you can fill out? Do you have one like you can just fill out?
It's funny because I've been here for a year and a half.
Okay.
Working for the police department.
Okay.
And all my other officers have business cards, and I just haven't gotten around to it yet.
I can make a call and make them give you your business, you know, real talk.
Yeah.
So you've just been in this field for a year?
No, I've been in law enforcement altogether for about maybe 4.5, 5.
4.5. If you don't mind me asking your age?
40.
40, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
40 years old.
Yeah.
But, I mean, no, I mean, you know, with all the plaques on the building and that,
So when she came out, it was hilarious. I think they even thought it was funny because I was just counting the bricks. So when she came out, I was like, what are you doing? I was like, I'm just counting. Well, she asked me what was I counting. I was like, can you take a guess? And she guessed it right. She said the bricks. I'm like, yeah, I'm counting the bricks. Before we get you out of here, I want you to take a stab at the golden question. It's really simple, man. It's just, what's 550 divided by 2?
They told me the same thing inside too as well. 550 divided by 2, which would be what, 225?
Okay. And the other one is, and the other one is this. If a cell phone and a case costs $110, the cell phone costs $100 more than the case. How much is the cell phone?
$100.
Okay. Hey. Well, I ain't gonna hold you. I mean, we can chat. I can. Yeah. I never mind. I'm really pro police, so I don't mind really chatting with you guys. And
well, I mean, heck, I mean that's one of the reasons why I love this town is because this town is very back. Where are you from?
Huh? From Earth.
Okay.
From Earth.
I understand.
Hey, you know what you can tell her? If she bring that out here and I sign it, it'll be worth a lot of money.
Oh yeah.
You tell her I'm for real. If you tell her if she come out here, I'll sign her picture. And I'll even take one with her. Believe it or not, man. Yeah. If she want to. If she want to take a picture, like, you know, I'll even sign it for her. She probably just don't even know.
That's up to her.
She probably just don't even, you know, some people do know who I am. A lot of people don't, so.
How you doing, sir?
Can I ask what's going on?
You can.
What are you doing up here?
What am I doing up here?
Yeah, my wife is in the bank and feels very fucking uncomfortable with you videotaping shit through the fucking window.
Do you want to educate this guy?
I asked you a fucking question. What are you doing up here?
Recording?
Recording a bank through the fucking window.
Yeah, what's wrong with that?
You're a fucking psycho. That's what the fuck's wrong with that.
I'm a psycho?
Yeah.
I mean, he's right here. You kind of sound like the psycho, man.
Yeah, my wife is inside fucking in fear, bitch.
In fear?
Yeah.
All right. Let me get between you two.
Oh, you can get him, sir. I'm not the aggressor.
You may want to leave.
The sidewalk?
Just because.
What the fuck are you doing recording through the bank in the fucking rain, you fucking weirdo?
Do you want more drama than...
No, I'm just standing on the sidewalk, exercising my rights. You
recording mirrored fucking windows, you fucking dipshit.
What can you see? Turn around.
Yeah, fucking nothing. What the fuck are you recording, you fucking jackass?
You know what you should ask your wife? Why did you leave
your fucking ass?
That's a threat. Hey, hey, listen.
I didn't threaten you. I said I should.
That's a threat. You would be in jail. Ask your wife why she leave her place of business and come in public.
About going to jail,
okay,
bitch.
Okay.
You might want to turn out.
Hey, okay. Look at this guy. What car did he get out of?
I got out of the fucking Land Rover. Touch my fucking vehicle, motherfucker.
Hey. Okay.
You better get this motherfucker off my goddamn car.
Where's your car at, buddy?
Huh?
Where's your
Take
car
a good
at?
long
No, I'm just walking.
Black goddamn Land Rover, bitch.
Come on. Let's keep going. Let's keep going.
I'm on the sidewalk, sir. Why are you telling me you should pull him to the side?
Because I'm trying to break
Exactly, sir. I'm on the sidewalk.
I'm trying to break
and you seem I've been cordial, man.
Yeah, you have been.
I haven't been doing anything, sir.
That's why.
Real talk. Even still with him, even still with him yelling. Hey, that guy's. You tell him. Hey, he's out here.
Yeah.
He's legally able to do what he's doing, sir.
Yeah.
And don't let your wife scare you and get you arrested.
Right.
Okay.
I don't want to take nobody to jail.
No, I'm not going to jail, man.
So,
We got EKK 173.
Come on.
I'm gonna be right here respectfully, sir. I'm not bothering nobody. I'm not speaking to nobody. I'm real respectful to the ladies, to you, sir.
Yeah.
Even to this guy yelling at me. I'm respectful. So, I'm just gonna stand right here once you leave.
Hey, come here.
Huh?
Come over here and talk to me.
Come on, talk to you, officer. Come on.
I'm just trying to give you a
Once you get out,
advice.
yeah, go ahead, sir.
Okay. So that's a very upset husband.
Okay.
His wife works in a bank.
Yes.
Would you feel the same way if there's some stranger outside videotaping where your wife works?
I wouldn't care if he's in public.
No.
Now, the thing is this, sir. I will tell my wife, why did you leave safety and go out to a sidewalk? If you thought you was really a threat, just call the law enforcement. Why did you go outside to even speak with the guy? That's what I would tell my wife. You never leave security and you go outside. You don't know what that man can do. That's what I would tell my wife. My wife will already know how to handle situations like this. So that's what I would actually tell my wife, sir.
Look, listen.
You would tell me to move?
If
That's wild, man.
No. It's because you're being cordial, right?
Yes, sir. As
I'll
always.
go talk to him later, but right now, I don't want to bring anybody to jail, right?
Who would you take to jail?
Right now, almost him.
I mean, exactly. So I'm like, everything I'm doing is constitutional. Everything I do is legal, lawful, and respectful. It's still nothing against that guy. I know he don't even got the full story. His wife probably lied to him. So he don't even know what's being said. So you never know.
I can tell you that they feel very uncomfortable with you videotaping. And then now you have a very
And see,
you have a very upset, angry husband.
And that's the thing is, in some places you go, me just being black can make somebody uncomfortable. So then you would tell me to leave? Some places is open carry. I'm eligible to have a gun, but it's making this person uncomfortable. And you gonna tell me to leave? So whenever we speaking about lawful, you make that guy leave, sir. I was only gonna stay till you was here. I only stayed because you was here. Remember I told you I wasn't gonna be here long. I see that she called law enforcement. You came here in 2 minutes. Me and you having a cordial conversation. Remember I was just telling you, hey, I'm not going to hold you up, and then he came.
Right. No. Yeah. That's almost.
We was just about to depart each other. I was just about to say, look, before I get you out of here, do you want to take a shot at the golden question?
Right.
We asked the 2 questions. We was about to part each other, and then he walked up. Do you remember me saying that?
I'm just trying to
I'm not. Hey, listen, I'm not doing anything. I'm on the sidewalk. I'm respectful. I wouldn't raise my voice to anyone. And here we are.
How's it going?
How's it going?
Good. Doing all right? Get that shit out of my face. I'm not a cop.
You came up to the camera and
That's
say, "Get
fine.
it out your face."
Yeah, get it out of my face.
Look, listen, dude.
Sir, he came to me. You see this?
No, because they're making people uncomfortable, man.
My camera?
Yeah.
What if me being black make him uncomfortable?
I don't think that's the case.
What if me wearing a Chiefs jersey make them uncomfortable? What?
You don't know me.
They need to learn the law. We just talking about. Do he even know what happened? That I'm exercising my rights on the public sidewalk.
Yes, you are. Comma. You may want to go just to circumvent.
No, sir. I'm gonna actually stay right here because I'm doing nothing wrong. If you can educate him, educate them. They leave.
No. Okay. Well, we can peace out, right?
Yeah. We can.
All right.
All right.
Hey, so look, real quick.
Yeah.
This is how you can get me out of here. Let me tell you something. Once they leave and you leave, I'll get out of here. I was just passing through, like I told you, man.
I know.
So, they walking up like someone is trying to, do something.
Yeah.
That's wild, man. That's wild. I'm not doing nothing here.
It's because you're making people uncomfortable.
I don't know how a camera make people uncomfortable. Here he come again.
He's my friend, okay? I don't know what's going on, and I appreciate you.
And respectfully.
He's my friend, and I'm trying to.
And listen, sir, but we got a cop right here.
Okay.
He need backup. And you saying and listen, real quick, sir, respectful. Just respect.
I was driving by and I saw you guys here. I wanted to check and make sure my friend was okay.
So you will walk up and start saying everything that you said, and you don't even know what's going on.
Yeah, because I'm a private citizen and I can do what the fuck I want.
Yeah, and that's true too.
Okay,
so
man.
What I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to circumventify it.
Okay,
right?
just let them know they're on the edge. They on the edge. I'm not trying to get nobody arrested. I'm not trying to antagonize nobody, bro.
I know.
Like, I'm really just out here really peaceful.
So I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go back in that bank. I'm gonna go tell them our little conversation out here. I'll go give some advice, and then I'm going to be the last one out of here. Okay?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
That's up to you, sir. I'm just out here doing what I'm doing my thing, man.
Right.
No ill intent.
2 different encounters, 1 common truth. When people don't understand the law, transparency becomes conflict, and lawful behavior becomes suspicion. Rights are strongest when they are understood, exercised calmly, and protected through knowledge, not confrontation. You don't need to stay silent, you need to know the law. If you've ever been questioned, asked for ID without understanding why, or challenged while exercising your rights, share your experience in the comments. Your story could help someone else prepare for the next encounter. Subscribe to ID Refusal Cops and join a community that believes informed citizens create stronger accountability. Because in this country, freedom isn't something you ask permission to use, it's something you must understand and exercise responsibly. ID Refusal Cops, where knowledge protects liberty.